Dear GZ friends, today we will prepare together a classic of Italian cuisine, a healthy first course covering a versatile legume with unmistakable flavour, pasta and beans. Let's turn the volume up. Let's start with the main ingredient of the recipe, dried beans, full of proteins, easily preserved and very versatile in the kitchen. I kept them soaking all night, rinsed them, covered with cold water and boiled for 80 minutes with 2 bay leaves. Here's the result. We start from the sauté, oil in the casserole, 1 clove of garlic, twin clove inside, and its cousins, celery, carrots and onion. Large chopping board. When the sauté is on, we cut the ham. And its cousin lard. It will add a body to our dish, that strong note. We're finishing slicing our lard, and in they go too. Let it go for a couple of minutes to release the salinity of lard and raw ham, and then we can add the beans. The sauté is ready. We can drain our beautiful beans. A ladle full of the beans cooking water. Let's add the tomato sauce. Let's get all the sauce with some water. Around the salt. Not too much, because there's already the raw ham and the lard. A good ground of black pepper.
Zac.
I'll let it cook for another 20 minutes and then we can throw the pasta. Here it is, almost ready. Before cooking the pasta, we're going to blend some of the mixture to give more creaminess to our recipe. This we'll keep aside and take care of the pasta. Let's cover it with the beans cooking water. Let's stir it once and leave it cook. If it gets too dry, just add more liquid. The pasta is ready. We can add the blended mix. It will make our pasta and beans even more creamy. Freshly chopped rosemary. A lid. We'll let it rest 3 minutes and then we can serve it. 1 last grind of pepper. And our first course is ready. An Italian comfort food that gives good mood, makes everyone happy and warms one's heart. Pasta and beans. This is my version. I'm waiting for yours.
Pow.